And good evening, this is Dr. Marissa. You know me as the Asian Oprah, reporting live here at the Palm Springs Film Festival. And I'm so delighted to have a past guest. Yes, and now friend.
Yes.
With me. And I'm so delighted. I said this when I interviewed you on the show, that I was going to set the intention to be here to cheer you on.
I know, I remember you saying that.
And guess what? Got a call from Roger. Let's go. Let's do it. So here we are on the carpet.
Yes.
And the normal questions are, how do you feel, and all of that, which you don't have to do that. So I'm just going to say, what is the one thing that you think has kept you going, like as a life motto? Like, here you are after all the things that you've done. Dated Elvis Presley, co-wrote the book, co-wrote the song, yes, and now you're up both for a Grammy and at the Palm Springs Film Festival. So what's the thing that kept going through your head to keep you going?
Well, one of the things I think is that my beloved father, we were very poor, and my mother had dreams, and my father would always say, "Dream on, little girl, dream on." And I think that somehow those 5 words stayed in my head, and I have forever been dreaming on. I mean, I just refuse to not do what I think I should be doing.
And you've done quite
I don't know about that.
Yes, you have.
Thank you.
And I want you to, really embrace that.
I mean, it all started with Phil Spector. He was, as the producer of the doc, one of the producers says, Dahlia Heyman, he was the key to all this. Because he wrote the song, obviously, to No, for my voice. I was the voice of the teddy bears. And it's just that, but Phil was very complex. Very complex. Because everything that he created, he tried to destroy. He was very Svengali-ish.
It was I had heard his name, but I'll tell you, when you said to know him is to love him, and I looked at you on camera, and then I looked it up, as you were talking, and I was, wow, I've never quite seen him, but the bottom line is he, knew talent, he knew.
Yes.
Put you in front of the right people.
I was 16 and a half.
That's amazing.
He heard me sing. And he said, "I love your voice. I'm going to write a song for your voice. Do you have $10? I said, "Phil, I'm not even 17 years of age. I don't have 10 cents. He says, "Well, if you can get together the $10, you can be in our singing group, and I'm going to write you the song." And the song was to know you. And I was the voice of the teddy bears. And none of us knew. I mean, it was a B-side of a record. We never knew it would be a hit. And it just changed my whole life.
Yeah.
And things just kept happening. And one terrible thing, though, after To Know Him, I had a terrible car accident. I went off a cliff.
I didn't know this.
Yeah, it was pretty terrible.
How young were you?
It was 18.
Wow.
So we were just really starting to happen. And it took it took 4 operations to put my nose back on my face. And my first one, when I healed like this. And I was never like a beauty, but I wasn't Dracula's daughter either. And it was pretty horrible. It ended the group at that point.
The teddy bears.
Yes, we were the teddy bears.
Yes, and is that how Elvis first knew you? Is you were one of the teddy bears?
Well,
What
happened was that Elvis fell in love with my voice. Remember, Phil Spector was the key to everything. With To Know Him is to Love Him. And Elvis would say to the Memphis Mafia, those were the guys that were always with Elvis, he said, "I love that girl's voice, I love her voice." Translation, I love that girl's voice, I'd love to meet her. So one day I was brought up to meet him. He had a home on Bellagio. He had just finished Viva Las Vegas with Al Margaret. And I looked over and there was he looked like a cat. I mean, he moved like a cat. His movements were beautiful. And I love cats. Meow, meow. I love cats.
I'm allergic, but
Oh
that's
dear.
okay.
Well, you could own an Abyssinian like I do if you have allergies.
Okay.
Because they're, whatever.
Yeah.
So the bottom line is, he was on the other side of the room and he walked over to me. And I felt like this little mouse, and I went, oh my God, that really is Elvis Presley. That's Elvis Presley. And he said to me, so, translation, so, why'd you name the group the Teddy Bears?
Right.
And I didn't know what to say, and I thought, what am I going to say? So I decided to sing it. And I went, just want to be your teddy bear. And that started our love affair.
Wow.
I went with him for 9 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
Not 9 months to having a baby.
I should have had the baby, but I didn't. You're right. Dumb.
Well, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And I mean, those are the topics, right, of your audiobook that's up for a Grammy and the film.
It's called Elvis Rocky because I co-wrote the theme from Rocky. Ba 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 da da. Gonna fly now.
Yeah.
And it's become like the not only inspirational but the physical fitness song of the world.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Which I
everybody
love.
knows that song.
Thank goodness. Thank goodness.
That's so great. So this is playing now at
Yeah.
the Palm
Springs International Film Festival. It's called the PSIFF.
Oh.
And it's very funny, but I'm doing a couple new projects. With David Longoria and I produced it, and Kathy Garver, who is
Yes.
so brilliantly talented, beautiful lady.
And all y'all have been on my show.
Yes.
Multiple times. Kathy Garver was on my show in my 3rd year, I believe.
Really,
I'm in my 13th year now. And
my lucky number.
Is
I was
it?
born November 13th.
Oh, wow. There you go.
Yeah,
My daughter
yeah.
was born September 13th.
Ah.
Friday the 13th.
I was born on a Friday
Oh,
too.
wow. Small world. Well, Kathy's interview is on my top 10 out of 1,549 podcast shows.
Oh my gosh.
So she's very well loved.
And
which is
she's
great.
beloved. I mean,
Yeah.
she's so precious and she's so kind. And you know, from Elvis, Rocky, and me, I'm now doing another project for Malaysia, for the country. I'm writing a theme song for Sarawak, which is
Wow.
the gateway to Borneo. So it's very exciting to not only be writing for film and TV and people, but to be writing for a country. Yeah,
What
that's
an
really
honor.
exciting. So I'm thrilled.
Yeah,
I'm thrilled.
and I love, I know you're not going to say how young you are. However, I will say that this is exactly the kind of person that I keep saying, I'm never going to retire. You're never going to retire.
I wouldn't know how to retire.
Yeah, and one of the big debates I was privileged to see Gladys Knight on stage, front and center.
Well, she did one of my songs.
She did?
I had an Emmy nomination with her. Friends Forever. Friends Forever. Da, 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 da,
See,
da.
that's
She
what
was
I mean.
so
She's
great.
done
Oh,
way
she was
more
so
than
great.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
So
her.
she was saying, she was 81, and she was doing a great job on stage. I posted a little clip, and it's at 725,000 views in 2.5 weeks. But the big debate is, there's people that are saying, let her retire.
She doesn't want to.
Thank you.
If she wanted
Thank
to
you.
retire, she would have.
Yes.
And I have I have this thought. I'm probably doing a book called Cissy Carolisms and things I've been collecting sayings all my life.
That's great.
I really have.
I would love.
I haven't put it totally together,
Because
but
they say I do that. Dr.
Do you?
Marissa isms. Yeah.
I love it. And
Yeah.
mine
Bull-
is Cissy Carolisms.
There you go. Bull shiitake is one of mine. So we can
Well,
do
let's
something.
see. I have one. Okay. To be a success
Mhm.
in what you do,
Uh-huh.
you must always follow through.
Ooh.
If it means making a phone call you don't want to make or meeting somebody that you really don't, you gotta do it. You just have to do it. And I believe in that. And
Yeah,
you
no,
know,
that's a good one.
and
That's a good motivational one.
I think that if you retire
Mhm.
and you're not inspired to do other things
Yeah.
at that time,
Mhm.
I think that that's when
Yeah.
You
yeah.
expire.
It could, yeah, there's another one.
I hate saying
So
that.
I know,
but
no,
I do
hear
believe
you.
that.
I hear you, and they say that on average, children laugh 400 times a day, and adults laugh 40. Okay?
Oh my gosh.
And that you do not stop laughing when you grow old, but you grow old because you stop laughing.
Oh my God, that's so
Isn't
brilliant.
that? I wish I could own that, but I didn't.
I can't stop. Like I have one that I use all the
Okay.
time. Success. I wish it was mine.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not.
yeah.
Success has many fathers. Failure is an orphan.
Wow,
Is
that's
that-
brilliant.
I think it's so brilliant.
That's brilliant. This one is mine, and it's on a greeting card. You ready?
Absolutely.
No matter what you do and where you go in life, remember that I'm always right and you're always wrong.
Good for you.
That was mine.
Perfect.
Well, I want to keep you here forever, but then we're going to do another show to do that after you
Absolutely.
win the awards on this circuit. And
Wouldn't it be wonderful?
Wiggling my fingers that everything goes brilliantly
Thank you.
this season for you. Can you do this with me? Remember doing this?
Oh,
on
I
the
did it
show?
on TV. I
Yes.
did it on.
That's right. It's
Yes.
all about balance.
Yes.
Peace in,
Peace in.
peace
Out.
out.
Peace out.
World peace
World peace.
through inner peace.
Inner peace. Oh, I love
I
that.
knew
You are just so remarkable.
Oh, and so are you. It takes
Thank
remarkable
you.
to see.
You're inspiring.
Oh, thank
Inspiring.
you. And so are you.
Thank you.
So
Thank
are
you.
you. This is Dr. Marissa reporting live on the red carpet of the Palm Springs International Film Festival with the one and only Carol Connors.
Thank
and
you.
I just wish her the very best, and I want you to have the best 2026 ever.
2026.
I know.
Oh gosh.
Okay, go like this. Bye.
I did that on TV.
Yes, yes, you did.
On the podcast. Yes.
Yay.
Thank you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Hollywood kisses.
Yes.